Hello guys, it's Brandon here at the Sharpest Rides. As always, our priority here is the safety of our community and making sure that we're able to produce clean, safe, and disinfected vehicles before you take it out on the drive. The purpose of this video is to show you guys how we disinfect our vehicles to make them clean and safe for you. So there you have it, guys. This is how we're doing it here at the Sharpest Rides. You're still able to purchase a vehicle, you're able to make an appointment online, and the car will be clean and disinfected before you take it out on the drive.
It was amazing.
Great customer service.
It was wonderful.
This is my second purchase.
I bought a 2016 BMW.
I bought a Honda Civic.
Hyundai Accent.
2019 Chevy Impala MT.
Thank you guys.
Rods, I appreciate the service first and foremost. I appreciate the call.
Give me a call, 303-934-3410. Brandon here at the Sharpest Rides. God bless. Thanks, Ray.